Hybrid SUVs have evolved from niche to mainstream, especially when it comes to Japanese brands. By 2026, some hybrid SUVs from Japan aren't just efficient, they're benchmarks in reliability. These vehicles offer you strong build quality, proven hybrid systems, and ownership peace of mind. In this video, we're counting down the 10 most reliable Japanese hybrid SUVs in 2026. Models you can buy knowing they'll age gracefully. Stay tuned until the end, because the #1 pick has a surprise twist that many buyers overlook. But it's one of the most dependable hybrids out there. Let's dive in and see which SUVs made the list. Number 10, Toyota Corolla Cross Hybrid. The Corolla Cross Hybrid is Toyota's compact hybrid SUV offering, bringing the brand's trusted hybrid tech into the crossover segment. With Toyota's well-established hybrid system and efficient drivetrain, it delivers strong fuel economy and reliability at a lower price point. Owners praise its ease of maintenance, fewer complex turbo components, and the long-life battery pack backed by Toyota's warranty. While it may lack the power and space of larger SUVs, for everyday driving it excels. Low running costs, predictable performance, and minimal unexpected repairs. In 2026, if you're after a compact hybrid SUV that won't cause headaches, the Corolla Cross Hybrid ranks high on reliability. Number 9, Honda CR-V Hybrid. The CR-V Hybrid brings Honda's hybrid technology into its popular SUV lineup. Although its hybrid version is newer and has slightly less long-term data than Toyota's systems, early results show strong reliability and owner satisfaction. The CR-V Hybrid uses a naturally aspirated engine paired with an electric motor, avoiding many of the complex turbo hybrid faults seen in other marques. Maintenance is straightforward, parts widely available, and Honda's reputation for durability holds strong. For those looking for a Japanese hybrid SUV that blends practicality, comfort, and reliability in 2026, this is a smart choice. Number 8, Toyota RAV4 Hybrid. The RAV4 Hybrid is one of Toyota's most popular hybrid SUVs, and for good reason. Its hybrid drivetrain has been battle-tested, showing excellent longevity and resale value. In reliability surveys, the RAV4 hybrids consistently rank high for minimal repairs and low annual maintenance costs. It offers a strong balance of space, hybrid efficiency, and Toyota build quality. In 2026, if you want a larger hybrid SUV with proven dependability behind it, the RAV4 Hybrid stands out as a top-tier pick for long-term ownership. Number 7, Toyota Highlander Hybrid. The Highlander Hybrid gives you 3 rows in hybrid efficiency without compromising on reliability. Japanese reliability analysts note this model has one of the highest odds of reaching 200,000 miles, thanks to Toyota's robust hybrid architecture. While many 3-row SUVs sacrifice durability for features, the Highlander Hybrid uses fewer overly complex systems, making it a smarter long-term investment. Families looking for reliability, space, and efficiency in 2026 will find the Highlander Hybrid a standout among hybrid SUVs. Number 6, Lexus RX 350h. Stepping into luxury without sacrificing reliability, the Lexus RX 350h Hybrid is a top contender. It builds on Toyota's hybrid expertise, wrapped in premium feel, smoother ride, and refined interior. According to reliability databases, the RX Hybrid scores very highly, often above many competitors thanks to Lexus's attention to quality and Toyota-based hybrid drivetrain. If you want a luxury hybrid SUV from Japan that won't cost you high repair bills, the RX 350h is a standout choice in 2026. Number 5, Lexus NX 350h. The Lexus NX 350h takes the proven hybrid technology and scales it into a compact luxury SUV format. With fewer mechanical compromises compared to older luxury hybrids and strong reliability data, it offers an excellent blend of luxury and dependability. Maintenance costs tend to be lower than many European rivals, and parts sharing with Toyota aids longevity. For buyers who want premium branding, hybrid efficiency, and Japanese reliability in 2026, the NX 350h makes a compelling case. Number 4, Lexus RX 500h. The Lexus RX 500h pushes into higher performance hybrid territory while still maintaining reliability. Reviews highlight its smooth integration of electric and petrol power, and reliability surveys register it among the best Japanese hybrid SUVs in its class. Lexus ensures the build quality, hybrid battery backing, and service network match the performance. In 2026, if you want a powerful hybrid SUV from Japan that still feels trustworthy long-term, the RX 500h sits near the top of the list. Number 3, Lexus TX 500h. For those needing 3 rows, the Lexus TX 500h offers a Japanese hybrid SUV with space, luxury, and reliability. Less common than some rivals but built on Lexus/Toyota engineering heritage, it brings hybrid efficiency and strong durability to large SUV buyers. Owners and early reviewers point to fewer major issues and solid long-term prospects. By 2026, the TX 500h is a smart pick for those who want ample passenger room without sacrificing hybrid reliability. Number 2, Toyota Sequoia Hybrid. The Sequoia Hybrid marks Toyota's entry into the large hybrid SUV arena with serious reliability credentials. While newer, its Toyota DNA and hybrid system are built with durability in mind. Analysts note it scores very high in long life projections for hybrid SUVs, with strong odds of achieving 200,000 plus miles. If you need maximum size and hybrid efficiency with a Japanese badge and want to avoid frequent repairs, the Sequoia Hybrid is a top contender in 2026. Number 1, Toyota Land Cruiser 300 Hybrid. At the top of our list sits the Land Cruiser 300 Hybrid. This legendary SUV now combines hybrid efficiency with off-road toughness and Toyota's renowned build quality. Reliability reports suggest that off the assembly line, it's designed for 300,000 plus miles in rough conditions. As a Japanese hybrid SUV built for the long haul, it's the best bet in 2026 if you want something that will last decades with minimal unplanned repairs. If reliability is your highest priority, this is the one to aim for. So there you have it, 10 most reliable Japanese hybrid SUVs in 2026. From compact to full size, luxury to rugged, these hybrids prove you don't have to compromise long-term dependability for efficiency or premium features. Which one caught your eye? Drop it in the comments below. If you found this video helpful, give it a like, subscribe to Car Care Nest, and ring the notification bell so you never miss our deep dives into the smartest car buys. Thanks for watching, and may your next SUV serve you flawlessly for years to come.